Hello students, welcome to today's lesson. Okay, so we continue looking at statistics. So today we are going to look at how we can find the percentile and also the interquartile range. Okay, in the previous video we looked at how we can calculate the semi-interquartile range. Okay, so we have this question here. So quickly let us go into it. So it says answer this part of the question on a sheet of graph paper. So we have the graph paper here. So we said for you not to waste a lot of time, okay, have you seen this table here? You just get these incomplete parts, okay, ututuma empty boxes you just draw them per corner per graph paper yako like this, the way we have done here, okay, and then now you just complete them. Okay, so how do we complete these? Tipeza bwanyi ma missing numbers. It's very simple. Look at this. Okay, so for them to find the 0.07, once you divide 2, you divide it by what? By 30. So which actually divide my numbers from here na last number iri kuchani mu cumulative frequency. Okay, so let me show you. So when you say like 2, we divide it by 30, it gives us what? 0.06. So we round off to be 0.07. Okay, so even this 0.23, 7 divided by what? By 30, there is 0.23. So for us to find the missing number here, that's 14 divided by 30 to pay the number here. Okay, so when you say 14 we divide by what? By 30, it passes 0.46. When you round off to be 47. Okay, so our answer is 0.47, like that. Yeah, next we're saying 22 divided by 30. It passes 0.73. 0.73. Still I start round off my 3 here because they are less than 5. You only round off ngati 5 and above. Okay. So yeah, next is 28. 28 it shall divide by what? By 30. It passes 0.993. So that is how you find the missing what? Missing numbers, like that. Okay, so now here you know that your x, the first column here, it's your what? Your x. Ero yapa last ni chani ni y. Okay, yapa kati ilibenchito hii we just ignore it for now. We ignore it yasebenza kudala. So the question says, number 2 says, using a graph of 2 cm, a scale of 2 cm to represent 1 unit on the x-axis. So x-axis, kaboxa kakamozi in 2 centimeters. So kazasa represent 1 unit for what? 10 up to what? 16. So x-axis, the range will be 10 to 16. Okay, so it will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. On the y-axis, 2 centimeter will represent 0.1 unit. From 0.00 to 1.0. So what does this mean? So this means that, okay, so if we start like this is upon per 0, right, per starting point. So x-axis, the first number is what? Is 10. Okay, so the first number is 10. y-axis, if tachuka per 0 hapa, ya next is ankara 0.1. Like that, and then tiendelera che. Okay, so like this, so izachoka so taiona. So x-axis tambira pa 10 ufika pa 16. Y-axis is from 0 up to what? To 1 or 1.0, like that. So the next thing that we do now is to plot. Tend to plot now my points and what pass. So the first point is 10,0.0. So x-axis 10 in the upper. Why is 10,0.0? Ni pamene hapa pa 10. So we put x here. Tafaka x so. Ya next point it pasani 11,0.07. So 11 here. Pai, so tikapenda 11.07. So ni pamene hapa tipia tuma box 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hapa. Dipa zabwera point yatu. We put an x. The next one is 12,2, 0.2. 0.2 here, fine. So 0.23. So per 0.2 ndi hapa, 1, 2, 3. So our point will be there. Okay. Our next point is 13. 13 enter pesa kui 13 point what? 0.47. Why 0.4? 0.4 is here, and the 7, we count 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 upper. So tafaka point like that. Yeah, next is 14, 0.73. So 0.7 hapa. So 0.73, 1, 2, 3 the hapa. You show like that. The next one is what? 15, 0.93. So 15 room 0.9 here. 0.93 tipenda 1, 2, 3 hapa. You show your point like that. And the last one is what? 16. It's here. So 16,1. 16,1. So our 16 is here. So 1 is here. So it will be like that. Okay? Taona my points. And then now we connect these points using a dotted line so that we see if curve yatu izachoka wati clear. We see how our curve comes out like that. So you should make sure that your curve is very smooth, and your work should always be neat, very neat. Natukutiwo chonga wambo sakira tiranga enzolemba vichani uyu. So usafaka vama bwete nikacheka choka smooth. So after you do that now, taona tika curve kato kastabwanji kachoka. Wakaona kachoka. And then now we connect the dots. Tishta connect my dots manje with a solid line. Cha solid line. Check a solid line. Check a solid line. Okay. So takaona ka curve ka twine. Okay, so there we have our curve there. Choka curve yatu. Okay, let's go to the next question. The next combat showing your method clearly. Okay, use your graph to estimate the 90th percentile. So that is our number 3. Kupeza 90th percentile. 90th percentile. Formula tikamba it's 90 over 100 times the last number in the y-axis. So upper times 1, chukua ndiye last number on y-axis. So when we calculate this 100 muri 90, it passes 0.9. Okay? So this 0.9 enter pesa. Tenda muri y-axis, tenda pa 0.9, and then we draw a line to meet our curve. So tidrawing a dotted line yaye kind of kumanya muchani mu curve kutoka pa 0.9 enter pesa. So you draw like that. So kafuka pa curve, when it touches the curve, you drop it down. It touches the curve, you drop it down. Okay, you bring it down. Bring it down like that. Ibwira pansi. Okay, like this. Taiwan 9. So the answer, we pick the answer from here, from the x-axis. Our answer is not picked from the y-axis. Chitenga answer for x-axis. So tikanga, this is 14, 14.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 14.8. So upper even indicate this is the 90th percentile. Is equals to 14.8. Taiwan 9. So 90th percentile is equals to 14.8. So we can even say therefore 90th percentile equals 14.8. Even do that. Nishitaipeza percentile. So it can be 50th percentile, you do the same 50 over 100 in a highest number y-axis. Just like that. Okay. So let us see how can we find, let us assume that pese interquartile range. So for us to find the interquartile range, if you in the question I go that find the interquartile range, so you say it is equals to the upper quartile minus the what? The lower quartile. So meaning that ufunika wapeza upper quartile na lower quartile. So how do you find the lower quartile? So in the previous lesson, we said lower quartile is equals to 1 over 4 times what? Highest number kuchanichi ku y-axis. So apa ni 1. So tikasta 4 divided by 1. 4 muri 1 mingena mochani 0.225 times 1 it was still 0.225. So in answer tapeza apa. Tienda ku y-axis. Tienda pali 0.25. 0.2 ndi. So 0.25 is ankara 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ndi apa. So what do we do? To drawing a line. Yeah? We draw a line. Okay. Sorry about that. So we draw a line from 0.25. Talimba dotted line to touch the curve. To touch the curve like that. When we reach at the curve there, we drop down. Tibwera pansi. So tibwera pansi. So that we pick our answer muri x-axis. So taiona. So meaning our lower quartile is equals to, this is 12.1. This is our lower quartile. It is equals to 12.1. So lower quartile is 12.1. Okay. So and again we do what? We find the upper quartile. Upper quartile is say 3 over 4 times what? Times 1. E1 ticho sakuti ndiye iri kwa y-axis hii. Number iri pa last mu y-axis. So tikasa divide there. Nipe pa 2 yolo calculate au 7 the sign. So 3 divided by 4. Kupasan 0.75. So 0.75. So 0.75 etapeza. Tienda ku y-axis where there is 0.7. 0.75, we count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upper, we do the same again. We draw a dotted line to come and meet the curve. Okay? To touch the curve like that. Wapanga dotted line yako. Yagira pa curve. And then from the curve, what do? You drop it down to the x-axis. We let them x-axis from the curve. Okay, like that. So that you pick the answer mu x axis. So tikabwera hapa here. Mahewa napairi hapa. This is 14.1. So the upper quartile is equals to 14.1. Taonai. So upper quartile is equals to 14.1. So since you have found the lower quartile and upper quartile, now you go back to the formula ya interquartile. So tisa che replace pali upper quartile utapeza chani 14.1 minus pa lower quartile utapeza chani 12.1. Utapeza 12.1. So 12.1. So tikasa subtract. When you subtract 14.1, you take away 12.1. It pass 2. So our interquartile range is what? Is 2. So that is how you find the interquartile range and also how you find the percentile. Okay. So students, look at this. So you go through this video, pause and rewind the video, watch it several times so that you get the concept. So for statistics, they will just ask you 3 things, either of the 3. Say that wazakuza find the what? The percentile. Or wazakuza find the interquartile range. Or they will tell you to find the semi-interquartile range. Wakwetache imozi per exam. Okay? So ngakwetele vonse vitatu vibili. They will just bring for you 1. So thank you very much for watching.